Masterson's Car Care has built our biggest detailing superstore ever, and we're inviting you to the grand opening event. We built the biggest detailing superstore with all of our best-selling products, accessories, tools, and gear just for you. This detailing warehouse has everything to clean any car, truck, motorcycle, RV, and even airplane. Plus, if you're a professional and an enthusiast, you gotta check this place out. So we're throwing the grand opening event of the year on Saturday, August 13th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. We're giving 20% off everything in the store. Plus, we're having a free car show event with food trucks and $2,500 in giveaway prizes. We're giving away products, detailing kits, shirts, gift cards, and much more at our grand opening of our Masterson's Car Care Detailing Superstore. This is gonna be at 4308 East La Palma Avenue in the city of Anaheim, California. You gotta bring your friends, your family, your cool car, truck, motorcycle, or ride down to our free car show and win some amazing prizes at the grand opening event. And this is gonna be on Saturday, August 13th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So come down and join us for the best detailing event of the year at our Masterson's Car Care Detailing Superstore. This is our biggest and greatest store, and we're so excited to have you join us for the event. This is gonna be on Saturday, August 13th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at 4308 East La Palma Avenue in Anaheim, California. Come down, win some cool prizes, check out some cool stuff, try some amazing products, and see all the cool cars at our free car show. We'll see you here.